So if I'm reading this correctly, you expect one-day shipping to have a big impact, $100 to $200 worth of spend for the average Prime household. Also, Prime editions. A, what's the magic of one day that you think is going to push people in that direction? And B, who does that come from? Does that come from the drugstore that people are now running to because they need something within 36 hours?
Okay, so, yeah, look, let's step back on Prime. They launched this first in 2004. This is the biggest initiative since then, not in terms of price, but in terms of speed of delivery. And what we've noticed in 7 years of survey work of U.S. Online shoppers is that an increasing percentage of people want their products next day or same day. So Amazon's starting to give it to them. They announced this earlier this year in April. They said it would lead to accelerating revenue growth in the June quarter. It did. We think it actually will continue to lead to acceleration of revenue growth, especially as it's rolled out globally over the next year or two. It's that big of a catalyst, or what we call a GCI growth curve initiative. It'll do it in two ways. It'll boost the appeal of Prime. You know, you'll get your packages next day, not 2 days or 3 days. So we think Prime adoption is going to increase. It's about 30% of all Amazon customers worldwide are Prime customers, more like 60% in the U.S., but we think Prime adoption will rise. And we think we'll see greater spend per Prime household, people buying more frequently and probably getting more into some of those household products, consumer packaged goods products, and some kind of loose grocery products. We think that's the win for Amazon fundamentally and for the stock.
So then, where do you expect to see the bigger impact? When you talk about household goods, that sounds to me like day-to-day needs versus key buying periods like holiday, like now Prime Day, back to school. Which is one day going to have the bigger impact on?
John, probably the first one, which is that the products that you and I think about buying for households that we need, pretty quickly. We don't just want to get it in the mail a few days from now or in parcel a few days from now. Those products, those consumer household and consumer products goods, those will be increasingly part of the Amazon basket. But there's also a play here when we come into the fourth quarter this year. We're all procrastinators. The closer that we can purchase things to the actual winter holidays, Christmas, et cetera, the more the appeal of Amazon. And it creates this bigger and bigger gap between the capabilities of Amazon with its hundreds of distribution centers and the capabilities of other retailers, even those that have been selling online for a few years. Nobody can match the delivery capabilities of Amazon. It widens the moat around the company.